Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. So before going into the main content of this video, here I started one Facebook account guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And it is a very important notice to the research scholars who are doing the PhD right now. Because based upon that one, the University Grants Commission released one official public notice on the 28th October 2020 mentioning the subject as good research practices in higher education institutions. And it is under the quality improvement. So here the guidance document on good academic research practices. That means at the end of this video, I'm going to show you one document released by the University Grants Commissions, which is mentioning the so many points to do the research practices in a very good manner. So before going into the document, here coming to the body of this notice, the UGC has been promoting academic integrity through a series of initiatives. A framework focusing on potential threats and good practice at each step in the research life cycle would be a much needed document for researchers in conducting quality research with integrity. And I am pleased to share the UGC has brought out a guidance document on good academic research practices. This guidance document will really helpful in raising the benchmarks of research quality performance and enhancing the reputation of the individual institutions and the country. So here the link is provided here. So if you click on this link, then you will be directed to the documents which are mentioning about the good academic research practices. So here I will show you this document guys. So all higher education institutions are requested to adopt these research practices mentioned in the document to foster a sound foundation of research culture that emphasizes the integrity in the daily practice of every researcher. Okay, so please share this information to each and every research scholars, and please share this document which is very important for the good academic research practices. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video guys. So coming to the magazines in Web of Science, and I will just show you whatever the contents are there in this one and whatever the link I am providing in the description box of this video. So after going into that link, so you will come to know the in details. So here the contents mentioning are values underlying research integrity and the framework and the research design, planning, research questions and documentation, literature survey, data research methods and analytical approach, conducting research, research execution, document and data storage. So checking for plagiarism and fabrication and misrepresentation, collaboration and authorship and intellectual property. Coming to the dissemination, the selection of right medium for publication and choosing the right journal for publication, and the translation of research. So it is very, very important to all the research scholars. They have to publish their content in the right journal based upon the right medium. So all this guidance and the good practices are mentioned in this document. And coming to the institutional research program management, the Office of Research Integrity, governance, training, conflict of interest, mentoring the next generation, and the conclusions. So the reference model documents are also provided in the appendix 1. So please go through this document very clearly. So which will be very much helpful to the present PhD or the research scholars. Okay, so all the points are mentioned very clearly, and the literature survey. So literature survey is the very most important stage of each and every research scholar to identify the problem or to analyze the research problem or to get one solution to the research problem also, and to identify the gap between the present problem and your proposed problem. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are doing the PhD and who wants to do the PhD. Why? Because it is a very most important information. And for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. The Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month. Or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay. So in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC net electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018 and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC net electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC net electronic science. Thank you guys.